Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57.
And on this video today, I have some brand new Aimeili nail color. Here they are, and I am going to do some quick swatches for you, but I also want to go straight into it, doing a nail design. Now let me tell you a little bit about these 4 new colors that I just received. So we have a beautiful glitter, silver glitter with sparse holographic micro glitters right here, and I will have close-up clips of these so you can see. We also have, this is like a deep plum, but it's a metallic, beautiful metallic. I do like that one. Then a classic red, very pretty, not a bright red, but somewhat of a dark red, very beautiful for this season. And also we have what you're looking at here. If you know, hopefully the camera is picking it up. It looks like it is on my viewfinder. See these 2 different shades of neon orange. So the newest one that they send me is this 117. I went ahead and did a comparison with the 053 that I had swatched before, and that's what you're seeing here. Okay, so not much difference there between the 2, but in between, when you see them in person, you can tell they are different. And let me put them side by side. They are both very bright in neon, but the 053 is much brighter. I mean, it has, the 053 has that, what you would call it, roadside cone hazard, and like also like that hunter neon orange, if you know what I mean. Okay. And so, but they're both beautiful, and I just wanted to put them here side by side so you can see how they differ from each other. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, yes, I do want to create some nail art. I'm going to do that using these tips right here, and I am going to incorporate Aimeili's Blossom base. So we'll go ahead and do some swatches, and then we'll jump into the nail art, and I hope you guys enjoy. design. What do you guys think? I wouldn't have thought I could do anything with these colors, but I really wanted to challenge myself to making these colors work together for a fall design, and I think I pulled it off. Yeah, I think guys, just to give you a hint, as long as you give your design some common grounds, and in this case, you know, it was this silver glitter what did it for the design. I think that's what's making everything tied up well. I hope you guys like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and this design. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.